If experience lang ang kinahanglanon, why would people demand change in Iligan? So far, wala ako nakakuha og mga instances nga gi-discriminate ta. Abi kay wala tayo experience because if ever naman gani, we can always answer them. In reality, politics is not just about experience because if experience lang ang kinahanglanon, why would people demand change in Iligan? Why would people want a new type of leadership no if experience lang? Now, for me, politics is a dapat balance. Experience na kay skill, kaning tulo mag-uban gid ni skill, will, and experience. No, kaning skill imo ni makuha sa imong educational background. Kabalo ka mo assess og mga data, kabalo ka mo padagan og mga financial budgeting. Mo ni mga basic, you know how to draft policies, review policies. At the same time, you need to have the will. You need to have a good moral standards. Whether sa scripture, sa Bible nga moral, or even sa legal nga moral, dapat naasa ka ni background. Di lang kay experience lang. But experience will teach us how to be, example, mga critical nga situation, mga crisis, diha mo gawa sa imong experience nga decisive ka, kay taas ang background sa politics. I think ka nga area, I would admit, I have an opportunity, but if imong i-summarize tanan, I believe experience is not the only key para makakuha ta og righteous governance sa Iligan City.